Let's edit a layout in SumoQuote. To open your layout, go to Configuration, Account Settings, Layouts, and select Reports. Go to Shared Layouts. In here, you'll notice a bunch of samples that were included when you completed the onboarding process. Beside each layout, you'll see some icons. The pencil icon will open your layout for editing. The copy icon will duplicate the layout so you can use this as a starting point to create a new layout. And the trash can will delete your report. This action cannot be undone. In this instance, I will click on the pencil icon so we can edit an already existing layout. From here, you can make any changes you want to the page content, the order of the pages, toggle on or off any pages that you want visible or not, and exclude any pages you won't be using in your layout. This allows you to make your layout look exactly how you want it to look for your team to use in their reports. When you have your report just the way you want it, scroll to the top of the page and publish your edits. This will save your changes and make the new layout content accessible for creating reports. And that is how to make edits to a layout.